That's the wow factor, right?
Wow.
And this one, guess what? Today, we experienced it and the craziness that went with it. The 2022 San Francisco was brought out. And that was history. Blink and it's gone. And it's the nature of the beast lately. Low mintage figures rule. So as part of the celebration of that this week, we've decided to bring out every night a special combo of Proof Silver Eagles at prices you haven't seen for years, plural.
It's the 1999 and the year 2000 Proof Silver Eagles, and these are the Philadelphia Mint proofs, the last two for the Philadelphia Mint, the end of an era because they were made between 1993 and 2000, and these are the last two. Each are in OGP, original government packaging, complete with certificate of authenticity, and look at the price. Your choice opportunity, $99.95 tonight.
Our price was $129 on both of these. We lowered it $30 a coin for tonight's special. Tonight's wow. Our competition, $159, $165 respectively on both of them. $159, second from last year, the 99, and then the 2000, the last Philadelphia Proof regular issue ever made, and they have not brought it back. We brought back S's starting in 2017, but we have not brought back a Philadelphia since as a single standalone coin. So this particular combo tonight, under $100. I mean, can you find the 2022 S from today for under $100? I've looked at some pre-buys, can we buy your allocation kind of stuff, and they're offering some very attractive numbers on the brand new one. These are the last of the era, right there. That's it, right there. Philadelphia Mint mark on a Proof Silver Eagle. That's the deal.
Now, the program has started in 1986. They started with uncirculated and proof every year. And from 1986 to 1992, the coins were made at San Francisco Mint. In 1993, they switched over to Philadelphia. That went until up to the year 2000, like I mentioned. So these are the last two out of Philly. And then 2001 forward, or West Point. 2017, they brought back San Francisco, so now they have a San Francisco and a West Point every year. But these are the last two we ever saw come out of the Philadelphia Mint.
It's all about special, right? It's all about uniqueness, and this small group of years are that. Most people didn't even know Philadelphia struck Proof Silver Eagles. And at this time, it wasn't our 20th anniversary, so we didn't have any special coins. It was just 2 coins a year. But for that short period, Philadelphia chimed in for the first time ever. And putting the mint mark on a silver dollar for the first time ever is part of this grouping of time. So it's over 2 decades old. And the price, not $159, $165. Our price is $99.95 tonight while our inventory holds.
Now, if you compare proof mintage to uncirculated mintage year by year, proof is always so much rarer, 13 to 15 times rarer. In fact, in 1999, they made 7.4 million coins uncirculated, just 549,000 and change proofs. Now in 2000, 9.2 more, even more, 9.2 million uncirculated coins and just 600,000 proofs.
And again, competition north, upwards of $165. Our prices were $129. We always look for pockets, and we also look for specials. And we have specials every single hour, pretty much every single show in the silver dollar era. But I can't remember the last time we brought back a vintage Proof Silver Eagle in the last couple of years under $100. I know we sold out of the 86 and the 87 a few weeks back at $119, if I recall properly.
Yep.
And maybe it was 129, but it was somewhere in that range. Again, all this early issue stuff, special, special, special. And when you can add on to that all the extra layers of just fun stuff, I mean, Philadelphia made a Proof Silver Eagle. Happy days are here again. And then all of a sudden they closed it off. And these are the end of it. In 2001, West Point, which we were all anticipating, right? Well, we were anticipating West Point jumping in, but that meant that Philadelphia had to go away.
Yeah, we thought they'd do in tandem.
A tandem, like they do right now. Right. And they figured out they could do a tandem right now, but why not do this tandem again? So maybe they're listening or not, but the bottom line is this. We love Philadelphia mint-marked coins. There's 1 cent, 2017, right? In the other series, can you think of it? When's the nickel? When was the dime? All right, I think the dime was done for the 2015 proof set, if I recall properly. I can't think of a quarter with a P mint mark. The half dollar, I can't think of a half dollar with the P mint mark. And then they put, for the first time ever in the history of the US Mint, in 1993, the P mint mark was put on that coin, and this is the ending of that stretch.
They're special coins, Philadelphia Mint proofs.
8 coins, Philadelphia, and these are the last of the kind. That is right there at 7 o'clock, the answer. Now, your choice, thank you, Hunter. Didn't bring that up earlier, we probably should have. Your choice means it's your choice. If you want to get 2 2000s, the Y2K Philadelphia Proof Silver Eagle, join us. If you want to get 3 of one and none of the other, join us. It's your choice. The bottom line is this, $99.95 is the price point.
abccoins.com is the website. That's where to go if you are on hold or you're calling and getting the busy signal. You want to get your order put through the system so you get back to watching the show. Log on to abccoins.com. 905-1972 is the item number for $19.99, and then 905-1955. That'll get you to the 2000. Proof Silver Eagles, the last 2 Philadelphia mints, original government packaging, complete with certificate of authenticity. Phones are pretty busy right now, so thank you for your patience. We are getting to your calls, but don't forget the website. And I want to also mention we are now streaming live on YouTube. So while we put a 1-minute clock up, please guys, because we're counting these down, youtube.com, search for us as Collectible Coins on AVC. Make sure you like us, subscribe us, click that notification bell. That'll remind you whenever we are live, or we upload new video clips. So we're doing that as well.
Again, it's another way to watch us. If you want to take a walk in the middle of the evening, even though it's 90+ degrees almost everywhere in the country, which means it's a great way to just go out and take a shower without walking into a shower.
Maybe you want to sit in your car with the air conditioning on. You could bring it up on your phone.
Bring it up on your phone in your car. Watch us on YouTube. It's a great opportunity. But the deal here is the deal. The last 2 Philadelphia Proof Silver Eagles, they made 8 of them. These are the last 2. Competition's at 165. We were at 129, beating them by 30. Now we're beating them by 65. It's just a great opportunity to get in on some of these vintage Proof Silver Eagles. And again, the question to ask is, when is the last time you've seen a Proof Silver Eagle under $100, a vintage coin, not the 2022s, etc.? And the answer is, well, if you're watching us right now, you have. Otherwise, you haven't. And that is exactly why we call this segment the wow factor.